Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM and SD tray so nothing shifts. Use a PH00 or PH000 screwdriver and a plastic pry tool to open the back. This prevents scratching. Once the back is free, remove visible screws and place them on labeled tape or in a parts tray so you know where each returns. Make sure to work on an anti-static mat and ground yourself. This protects components while you continue. You'll disconnect the battery next to remove power from the board. This is critical before any connector or solder work. Once the battery is isolated, remove the retention bracket screws that secure the charging port assembly and unplug any ribbon cables nearby. If the port is soldered, heat solder joints with a controlled iron and use solder wick or a pump to clear pads. If it's modular, carefully unclip it. Once loose, lift the port assembly straight out to avoid flexing the board. You place the new charging port into position, aligning pins and mounting holes. If soldering is required, tack 2 corners first, then finish remaining joints for even heat distribution. Once the port is secured, reconnect the battery and reattach any brackets and screws in the reverse order you removed them, making sure ribbon cables are fully seated. Power up and test charging and data transfer, and check the microphone and speaker. If charging fails, ensure solder joints are solid and the battery connector is fully engaged.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.